Number 58. If a hospital were storing radioisotopes, what is the minimum contaminant needed to protect against? And then we are protecting against molybdenum-99, which is a beta emitter used to produce technetium-99 for imaging. Okay, so if we know that we have some type of metal, in this case molybdenum-99, and it emits beta particles, right? Now a beta particle is just an electron. And just know that if you are emitting something or you're undergoing emission, that always means that these particles, whether it's a beta particle or an electron, these are going to be in your product. So this is what you're producing. So that's what you're releasing into the atmosphere. Ooh, so you're going to have tons of, beta particles or electrons in the atmosphere, when molybdenum-99 is basically decomposing and producing technetium for imaging. Now, when this is happening, you want to protect against those particles. We want to find the minimum amount of protection. They call it a contaminant, but it's a minimum amount of protection needs to protect against this, right? So we're talking about protection. Or you could call it a, shield, right? Now, this is beautifully said or, drawn in this nice little diagram here. There's 3 different types of particles here: alpha particles, beta particles, or neutrons, right? And then there's one type of radiation. Now, in this case, we know that we are emitting beta particles, so we only care about this section. And beta particles are the same thing as electrons. So when electrons are produced, they can pass right through a sheet of paper. So if you're trying to protect the beta particles from going, farther out, and if you put a sheet of paper up against it, it's going to go right through the paper. So, can't do that. The next one is the human body, right? Can the human body be used as a shield? And according to this visual, that beta particle is going to go right through the human hand or the human body in general. So the human body isn't even the minimum requirement used as protection. But then I see here, and if a beta particle strikes a piece of metal, it ain't going through, right? That is the minimum requirement. As you increase your protections, you're getting higher and higher and higher, protection. So they wanted the minimum amount, which is the first shield. And in this case, the first shield for beta particles is a sheet of metal. Can you have blocked it with a glass of water, concrete, or lead? Absolutely. Those will also shield from beta particles, but the minimum contaminant or the minimum amount of protection is that sheet of metal, and that's the answer here. So the hospital better have sheets of metal to protect from beta particles, being emitted into the atmosphere farther than they should. And that's it. I hope this helped. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video as well. Just gets the word out there that this channel exists in the education universe. Thank you so much for making this channel what it is today. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers. Honestly, I'm shocked, I'm baffled, and I'm so humbled by all of you guys. Thank you so much for your support in this channel. It wouldn't be here without you. So thank you for coming to the channel. Thank you for learning, leaving kind comments in the comment section. I read all of them. I try to get back to as many as I can in my free time. But thank you. Thank you for making this what this is. You guys rock. Good luck on your tests and quizzes, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.